WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Let's talk about your weekend. Saturday and Sunday, just a day away. We have to get through Friday, of course. 92 Saturday and Sunday. Some isolated to spotty storms can't be ruled out, but I think most of the weekend in many spots will probably be on the drier side, but it's still going to be warm and muggy. Rain chances elevated tomorrow, 60% down to 30 for your weekend, and then much lower with lower levels of humidity next week. Still warm during the day, but if we get that air to dry out a little bit, maybe some lows in the 60s. Our time lapse from Durham's in Vernon today shows some active weather, some showers and thunder showers, some breezes around. That was earlier today. Look at some of these spooky clouds we had with that initial wave of showers and storms about midday into the early afternoon hours. A lot of spooky clouds, heavy downpours, a little bit of thunder and lightning, and some gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. And from areas west of Louisville, near Ackerman and Point Southwest, and also to the west of Starkville, we have some budding showers and thunder showers. And another batch down here east of Macon, southern Pickens County, and just to the northwest of West Point, and some areas out here towards Houston and Chickasaw County, more showers and storms building. So I wouldn't be at all surprised to see some additional development here in the Columbus area over the next hour or so as some of this converges. We've actually had some activity kick back into Tennessee from northern Mississippi. So long story short here, we had some showers and storms around the region. We will continue to have some of those here over the next few hours. A lot of that pulses down, and then we'll likely flare more activity up later tonight and into our day tomorrow. So a low 70s for lows here. The wind will be light, but still that chance for a shower or storm. For you in Starkville, we start out in the 70s here on Friday, back into the upper 80s during the course of the afternoon. Just have the umbrella on standby. You're going to need it here. Mid to upper 80s to around 90 degrees. If you had sunshine today for a little bit longer, we got into the low to mid 90s. I think Tupelo, you got to 93 today, but some spots fell short of that because of the rain. Futurecast dealing with those isolated showers and storms this evening. Tomorrow morning, there could be a little bit of rain around as we get into the daytime heating, much like today. More scattered showers and storms, some heavy downpours, thunder and lightning, refreshing breezes will take it. And on Saturday, fairly tame start, it would appear, and then it looks like we will bubble up some showers and storms as we get into the course of the afternoon hours, and then that will go away. We'll probably see a few isolated showers or storms as we get into your Sunday, so we'll just keep those in the forecast here for the weekend, but as we mentioned, probably not an all-weekend washout or anything, and even tomorrow, probably not a washout, but there will be some rain around, and some of that rain could be locally heavy. Next week, slightly cooler, still warm, upper 80s to around 90, so it's not going to be really cold, but it will be a little bit less humid, and that could get lows down into the mid 60s.